Namaskar, Vanakkam, welcome back to the Vegan Veranda, your favorite place for all things Indian and vegan. Today we are just trying to do something different and something that we found was kind of funny, and that is doing a meme review. So we are just going to go on Reddit. The subreddit is called r/vegan memes, and we're just gonna review all the memes that we find over there.
I am actually worried that I've seen most of this stuff, but hopefully we have not seen some of them, and we'll give you an honest reaction. So
Hopefully.
something fun to do this time.
Yep.
So let's begin.
Yep.
My parents in their 30s. This would make a lovely second home for our family to winter in. Hopefully the garage can fit both our cars, snowmobile and ski equipment. Okay, they seem like very mature people. Me in my 30s. Why is there milk in this potato chips?
The second one is kind of obviously more important than the first one. I mean, this is such an important, it's an important
decision.
philosophical question. Yeah, it's a philosophical question that is worth pondering about. Why is there milk in potato chips?
It's like everything needs to be slathered and infused with milk these days.
Yep. Is there no meat here?
No, it's a vegan buffet. How so? Are you a meat eater?
Yes.
But how does that work exactly?
What?
Yeah, what do you eat then?
A bit of everything. Chicken, beef.
But isn't it hard to get nutrients?
No.
It's just that a lot of meat eaters that I have seen eat a really unvaried diet. It's like just a piece of meat and some potatoes, that's it. What about your kids though? You're gonna force them to eat meat as well, or do they get to choose? Sorry, I've been asking too much. It's so rare I meet someone like you. Do you know Paul Pot was a meat eater? Yeah, so they are just turning around what vegans get to experience. So he'll be like, is there no vegan things here? So they'll be like, no, it's a meat buffet. So how does it work? So he'll be like, I'm just eat greens and nutrients and all. It's quite clear that vegans will definitely get a lot more nutrients than just a potato and a piece of meat. So yeah, nice meme. Are you vegan? You must be eating so healthy. Me. Oreo, mini and almond chocolate. Yeah.
Oh, you forgot the peanut butter, the hummus, and the other stuff that we add to it.
Yeah. Must be so healthy, right? Must be so healthy, right?
Yeah.
Oat milk. While dramatically better than dairy, almond milk is harsher on the environment than other non-dairy milks. Almond milk is harsher on the environment. Focusing on the right stuff right here.
Yeah. Oh, and just an addendum to this, you don't even have to drink almond milk, right?
Yeah,
yeah.
None of the alternatives are essential to have. Someone, I love animals. Bread. Don't say it. Are you vegan? This is a thin line that every vegan walks. A lot of people say that they love animals, but it's highly debatable.
Yeah.
Me, random person that asked for plant-based milk in their coffee. Oh my! this would really be. It would be a once-in-a-lifetime chance if this actually happens, because it doesn't happen here.
Yeah.
Not in the places that we live.
In fact, when the first time I went into Starbucks, it wasn't my money, so I still am upholding #Garibi Rocks, but someone treated. So I went to Starbucks and then I asked for almond milk, and literally everyone in Starbucks started looking at me. So that's kind of a fun story.
Correct. Being vegan has been so fucking easy. I literally just stare at the sun and I'm full thanks photosynthesis.
This is like vegan level 10 million or something.
I remember that there is actually this movement called breatharian.
Oh, right? Yeah.
So kudos if you're into that. At least don't harm animals. I don't care otherwise.
If vegans started acting like meat eaters in the DMs.
I mean, not gonna lie, that piece of fat block of tofu looks quite delicious.
Yeah. Yeah. Tofu.
Yeah. Bacon. Tofu.
Tofu.
The vegan movement that's getting bigger and bigger. Their industry is saying plant milk should not. this you know what this should have? The small crane should be like the dog meme. The small dog meme who is like very sad. So he'll be like,
The cheems.
plant milk is not milk. He'll be like that. And the bigger ship will be like the muscular dog. The vegan movement is getting bigger and bigger. Nice. This is an Indian meme, I think. I think these guys are Indian.
It's an Indian
Oh,
template.
it actually says Indian vegan memes on it.
Yeah.
Vegans in the distance looking at nutrients being taken from plants, they're into animals, they're into non-vegans. And I like the expression of the guy who is the vegan. He's like, them, but you used to eat meat. Me. That was like 8 years ago. I mean, it will be 4 years for us, but close enough.
Close
Nice,
enough.
Nice meme.
We will revisit this meme in another 4 years.
That was like 8 years ago.
My mother worrying that I will starve because of veganism. Me who just ate a vegan.
A burger and a chocolate.
Yeah, pretty much.
This dog is what we should aspire to be, in our lives.
Yep.
Pescatarians. OMG, I could never eat a chicken. That's so cruel. Also pescatarian. Having a drink with all my vegan friends.
Oh, not. This was before.
No, I have to suggest something else to this meme. There should be like laptops on all of those chairs.
Why?
We only have vegan friends online.
Oh, deep.
Kills a dog, psychopath. Kills a pig, no worries. Kills nothing, extremist.
Terrorist.
Yeah, we are all extremists,
Yep.
Me convincing myself to buy every new vegan ice cream that is released for the animals. This is Saurav.
Yeah.
Who is our tech
Yeah.
head, and you guys don't get to see him.
Yep.
But I think we did promise that if we cross 1,000 subs, that we might force him to show his face. So hit that subscribe button.
Face reveal.
All lives matter. Limit eaters, including the chicken you ate KFC. No, say my name. Vegan burger.
This is especially funny because not very recently, but like recently finished watching BB.
Breaking Bad.
Yeah.
I think we can do one more meme before we leave for the day.
Yep.
Contains egg. Panic. Contains eggplant. Contains eggplant.
It is. This also reminds me of another meme where it's like there's a box of broccoli, and then in like.
I know. You tell.
It was like you just in very very small text it's written something is written, and when you zoom on it, it's like 1% milk products or something.
On the broccoli,
what is
on
it
the
doing
stalk
in a
of the
broccoli?
broccoli, you zoom in and there is this very small line in white. It says contains milk 1%.
Yeah.
I think we can end on that happy note.
Yep.
Thank you for watching. This was the meme review of the Vegan Veranda. Let us know in the comments below what was your favorite meme. Next time we can do another meme review. If you have any memes, send it to us on Instagram or Facebook, or tag us at the Vegan Veranda.
Until then, stay safe. We will meet you on the same veranda. Stay safe. Stay vegan. Bye bye.